Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain about the type aliases in TypeScript, how they work. I will show you step by step. They are simple and easy to understand. So in a previous tutorial we talked about objects. Okay, so now they are a little bit similar, but let me show you that the type alias dot ts. Okay, so type alias. Now for example, let me say that let's book which is equals to, for example, if a book have let me say that normal title, or the title is going to be a string, a comma. Sorry guys, we have to provide a comma, but before we start the object we have to say like a type. Okay, we have to say like a type. Okay, so type book, we say like we don't have to provide this what we call a const or late identifier. We don't have to, because it will gives us some error if I use like this. I don't have to use this because it says that the alias type alias alias names cannot be const. Okay, so type alias, look it in here, this type alias. By the way, let me rename it my file to alias.ts, or you can say like type alias.ts. Okay, so if you will not provide the const or late, don't worry, it is easy. Now the concept is in object we provided directly the corresponding data types and with this value, but when we come to type alias, first we define the types like author string and year number. Okay, so we provide like the type alias in here. So now what we provide the stuff. Okay, so now we have to create a function. Okay, so we have to create a function to give or to reference this alias. Okay, so to do that, let me create a const. Let me say like show book, and you can say like show book, and you can say like show book, and you can give it a book. You can give it the annotation, then you can name it this whatever name. For example, you can say like banana, potato, you can name it whatever. Okay, potato, that's funny. Okay, so after providing this and creating the function, okay, after we creating the function, we are referencing this type of object, so that is great. Now let me use the return statement and say that a $book title by book author and book year. Okay, so I'm returning that to handle these types predefined by this function. Okay, so now let me say like a const book which is equals to let me say that const book which is equals to, or let me call that function show book. Okay, show book, then the title, we will give it the Harry Potter and other stuffs. If I provide a book, or let me say like AD, the book is already created, so it doesn't allow me to create this name, so I have to say like data. Okay, if I say like data, I am calling this a function and provide the value to say that, for example, the title is book by dot title. So for this title I'm providing this title in here. For this book dot author I'm providing the JK Rowling in here, and for this year I'm providing a year in here. So that is great, guys, because the first thing you have to remember that is that after opening and closing the parenthesis we have to put the these curly braces. Okay, so after we put this curly brace, you can add using a comma without providing the string in here, like objects we work. Okay, we don't have to say like this because first we set this to string. So you can say like title, like Harry Potter, and author to J.K. Rowling, year, like this. Okay, so you have to give it like this. So it is a little bit tricky, but it is very important concept to understand in TypeScript. So now let me console.log our data, save it and run it, and you will see the corresponding result. So that is nice, and this is for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want this code you can find in my GitHub. There is a TypeScript repo. So this is for today. Like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I see you on the next video. Bye bye.